In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use profiles in Microsoft Edge so you can separate your browsing activities and keep everything organized. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, select Settings to access your browser options. In the Settings page, look at the left sidebar and click on Profiles. This is where you manage everything related to browser profiles. To create a new one, click on Add Profile and follow the prompts to set it up. After creating a profile, you'll be switched into it automatically. You can choose to sign in with your Microsoft account to sync bookmarks, history, and other data, or continue without signing in if you want a completely separate setup. To switch between profiles, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the browser. You'll see a list of all your profiles. Just select the one you want and a new window will open with that profile active. Each profile can be customized independently. You can change appearance settings like theme or mode and keep different bookmarks, extensions, and browsing history for each profile. If you want to rename or delete a profile, go back to Settings and open the Profile section. From there, you can edit the name, change the avatar, or remove the profile if you no longer need it. That's it. Using profiles in Microsoft Edge makes it easy to keep your work, personal, or shared browsing completely separate and organized.